Well, I may or may not sell this today. I'm gonna come out here and there's my hood pop thing. Anyway, let's go out here and give it a cold start. It's been a while. I say cold start. It's not. There's a hole there. It's not too cold in Arkansas. Oh, let me climb up in here. All right. Oh, it's my radio harness. Give a couple pumps on the carburetor here. Come on, boy, it's cold. There she goes. Squeak. Uh-oh. Yeah. Guess I could have done choke or something, but oh well. Oh, I keep stepping right in that hole. I can't see it. I know y'all probably can't see it. Got the little belt squeak, boy. This thing get just dirty sitting out here. If it doesn't sell today, I'll get it cleaned up. Get ready to do some car shows or some traveling of some sort this year. Well, I like this truck. Oh. Fold the back seat up there. Look, this one still got the ashtrays in the back on both sides in case your kids smoke, I guess. But yeah, I folded the seat down, got all creases in it, but it's still in really good shape. I like this soft top a lot. It's real easy to make convertible or roll up the sides there to make it, you know, you can still have the air coming in on the sides, but shielded from the sun. So I did cut the carpet out of the back here because it kept getting wet before I changed tops. I kept having to pull this drain plug here and let water out. Anyway, I just pulled the carpet up from the back. We left it in the front. But overall, here's my one rust spot here. It goes all the way into here. So this part right here would have to be replaced, but that's it. Besides that, there's no rust. And it looks like the person that had it for me, it took a little hit there with something and pushed this fender back enough that it's letting water in over there somewhere, and I just haven't fixed it all because I still didn't know what I was going to do with this. It's just been kind of sitting. It was already had that little rust spot anyway, but if you look down here, oh, maybe. Can you see the Flowmaster's cut off back there? Let me go to the other side. Pretty good sounding exhaust. Boy, it is pretty cold out today. But anyway, man, I love this truck. All the windows still work. It does have a little bit of tear in the seat here. It is repairable or whatever, but we'll see. I might sell it today. Might not. I ain't taking nothing less than what I want. If I didn't sell it and somebody wants it, let me know. I'm not gonna take, you know, nothing crazy for it, but I'm not gonna take too less either. It's just, these are pretty hard to find. So the wheels might not be your style. You can change them. These tires, yeah, they hold air, but it just sits most of the time. So it's time for it to go. Alright guys, we'll catch you on the next video.